Once upon a time, in a charming little town surrounded by rolling hills and vibrant meadows, there lived a boy named Oliver and a girl named Mia. Oliver was a kind-hearted boy who had lost the use of his legs in an accident, and Mia was a cheerful girl who had recently lost her sight. Despite their challenges, both Oliver and Mia were known for their boundless kindness and willingness to help others. One day, as autumn leaves fell gently to the ground, the town was bustling with preparations for the annual harvest festival. Colorful decorations were hung, and stalls were set up for games, food, and music. However, a sudden storm swept through the town, causing damage and making it difficult for everyone to prepare for the festival. Oliver and Mia were determined to help. Even though Oliver could not walk, he used his strong arms to push a special cart filled with supplies, while Mia guided him with her keen sense of hearing and touch. They worked together, each using their unique abilities to contribute. As they were setting up, they heard a commotion nearby. The town's beloved park was flooded, and the community's elderly folks who lived nearby were struggling to reach safety. Without hesitation, Oliver and Mia rushed to the scene. Oliver, with Mia's guidance, maneuvered his cart through the muddy park, collecting and transporting the elderly to dry areas. Mia used her sharp hearing to communicate with the elderly, comforting them and helping them find their way to safety. "Oliver, there's Mrs. Thompson by the big oak tree," Mia said. "She needs help getting to the shelter." "Got it, Mia," Oliver replied, carefully steering his cart in the direction Mia indicated. Despite the storm, Oliver and Mia's teamwork shone brightly. Oliver's cart became a lifeline, while Mia's guidance ensured everyone was safely relocated. The community, moved by their efforts, gathered to assist in any way they could. With everyone working together, the damage was quickly repaired and the park was restored. After ensuring that everyone was safe, Oliver and Mia returned to the festival preparations. The storm had delayed them, but their determination to help had inspired others to pitch in. As the sun began to set, the festival was finally ready to begin. The festival was a huge success. The community celebrated with music, games, and laughter. Oliver and Mia were honored for their bravery and kindness. Mia, despite not being able to see, enjoyed the vibrant sounds and cheerful atmosphere, while Oliver, despite not being able to walk, felt the joy and excitement around him. As the festival came to a close, the mayor of the town presented Oliver and Mia with special medals for their bravery and selflessness. "Thank you for showing us that no matter what challenges we face, our hearts and determination can make a huge difference," the mayor said. "Your kindness has truly brightened our lives." Oliver and Mia exchanged smiles, knowing that their efforts had made a positive impact. They had shown that even in the face of adversity, compassion and teamwork could overcome any obstacle. Moral of the story: no matter what challenges we face, our willingness to help others and work together can make a significant difference. With kindness and determination, we can overcome obstacles and brighten the lives of those around us.